Okay, so this is a scratch button, but this button is not looking good at all. It's having bad colors, bad text, no interactivity, you see when I put the mouse on it, and no sound when I click. And this button code is even worse. When this sprite is clicked, do whatever. Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this button much better. So let's start. Okay, so there are four main aspects: color, simplicity, interactivity, and sound. First, let's take color. You can see that these button colors don't match very well at all. So let's change the colors of the button. Now our button looks much better. I changed the text too. So we made the part with colors. Now it is black and white, or gray and light gray. Okay, I changed the text tone. Instead of that long play text, I made just play. So the color part is done, and the simplicity one is done too, because we changed the text and now our button is more simple. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is interactivity. We need to change this script. Instead of when this sprite is clicked, do whatever, we can write when the green flag is clicked, the forever loop is the mouse pointer is touching the button, set the ghost effect to 20, and if you start touching the button and if the mouse is down, then do whatever, and else set ghost effect to 0. Okay, so what this does, when I put my cursor on the button, you can see it gets a bigger opacity. I think this is the right name. And this looks very professional already. Okay, so you can use this script too. When the mouse pointer is on the button, change size by 120 minus size divided by 3, else change size by 100 minus size divided by 3. So this is the original size divided by 3. You'll see what this does. When I hit play, you see that when I put my mouse pointer on the button is bigger a little bit, and it's a very cool effect. Okay, and the final thing you can do at the category interactivity is to add this code, pointing direction sin of timer multiplied by 1000, and put this in this plus 90. This is a simple math equation, and else point in direction 90, just this. This math equation will make the button to move in the both sides a little bit. Look what I am saying. If I put the mouse cursor on the button, it is shimmy, and it looks very professional already. The final thing you can do is to add a sound to the button when you click it, not this oink sound. And here I have a very good sound. If I hit play, this is a nice pop sound. I modified a little bit, and you can just go to the sound category, and that start play sound, nice sound. This is how I named it, until done. So now we have a professional button. I hope you liked this tutorial. I was Mate, and bye bye.